In this video, we're going to be looking at the most complex of the forms of the if statement, the if-else-if. You use the if-else-if if you have several related relational expressions that need to be combined into one if statement. The example I'm going to use, and it's a classic, is the assigning a letter grade to a numeric grade. So let's go ahead and just dive into it because most everybody understands how that works. So we're going to have a variable for the letter grade and a variable for the numeric score. Prompt the user to enter a grade, and then we enter it. So now we're going to say if grade is greater than or equal to 90, letter grade is an A. We're using the 90, 80, 70, 60 scale. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 80, letter grade equals a B. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 70, letter grade is equal to a C. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 60, letter grade is equal to a D. And here you have a choice. You can either use an optional else, indicating that whatever else it is, if it's not in one of these other groups, it's going to be an if, or alternatively, we'll block comment out that example. You can say else if grade is greater than or equal to 0, letter grade is equal to an F. And then right down here, we'll write cout a numeric score of grade is the letter grade Okay, so let's run that and see what we get. So let's enter a 77. That's a solid C. Let's do a 94. That's an A. Let's do a 65. It should be a D. Testing all the possibilities, an 81 is a B. And then, heaven forbid, a 32 is an F. If you enter a grade less than 1, or less than 0, notice you don't get anything, so we would need to fix that somehow. So what you might do is add the else here. Let's put the else back in. And you might say letter grade is an F by default. The problem is, what if we enter 110? That shouldn't be a problem, but let's see. So if we enter negative 12, I've never given a negative score before, but I've been tempted to. That's an F. And then we shouldn't have a problem above 100, so if they got some bonus points, 110, they still made an A. So, again, be aware that you can have multiple statements inside each of these blocks if you choose to. I'm trying to keep these videos short, so I'm not showing every possibility. I just want to give you an overview of how it works. And understand that your logic can change. You can make lots of different decisions based on exactly how you want the program to behave. And recognize that, as a famous programmer Larry Wall said, there's always more than one way to do it. So the way I've done it here would not be the only possible way to write a letter grading program, but it's certainly one way to do it, and it's a correct way because it does give me the right outputs every time. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.